Now we are discussing the most important theorem and most important result, that is the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. It is a circle with center O. Take a two tangents from an external point. It is an external point. External point P, you take it. How many tangents can be drawn from an external point? 2 is the right answer. Good. So 2 tangents you can draw, because one tangent like this, one more tangent like this. This is called point of contact. Point of contact of this tangent is A. Point of contact of this tangent, you take it as a B. Here PA is called length of the tangent. PB is called length of a tangent. Now your RTP is PA is equal to PB. Now you have to prove it. The lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Means you have to prove it PA is equal to PB. What is given here? It is the circle with center O, that is given. And again PA comma PB are the two tangents are given. The two tangents are drawn from an external point. Now our task is, you have to prove it PA is equal to PB. Okay, so how to prove it? Some theorems need construction, some theorems don't want any construction. But this theorem has a small construction, little bit construction. Can you guess it? What is the construction? Can you guess it? In fact, the civil engineers has done that one only. What is it? First, they have to figure out the entire value in a rough diagram. That only we called as constructions. Then they are thinking how to prove PA is equal to PB. What are the possible requirements need to prove it? అంటే ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఏమేమి కావాలని ముందే ఆలోచిస్తారు. సో ఈ PA ఈక్వల్ టు PB అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలనుకోండి, బిఫోర్ యూ హ్యావ్ లెర్న్డ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. సో నీడ్ సమ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. టు గెట్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, దెన్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇట్? జాయిన్ OA, join OB, join PO. So what we did here, join AO comma BO comma PO. Observe here, two triangles formed. If suppose these two triangles are congruent, then definitely by CPCT, corresponding parts in a congruent triangles, you get it, PA is equal to PB. That is one of the approaches. సో ఇన్ జామెట్రీ యూ గెట్ ఏ మోర్ అప్రోచెస్. ఏ విధంగా అయినా చేయొచ్చు ప్రాబ్లం మీరు. జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెథడ్స్. ఓకే, ఒక మెథడ్ నేను డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో దట్ ఈజ్ స్పాంటేనియస్లీ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ థాట్స్ ఇన్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ జామెట్రీ. జామెట్రీలో ఏంటంటే మీరు ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్నీ మీకు మైండ్లో ఉంటే మాత్రం కన్ఫర్మ్గా మీరు ఇండివిజువల్గా కొన్ని మెథడ్స్ మీరే క్రియేట్ చేసే సామర్థ్యం మీకు వస్తుంది. అది ఎలానో చూద్దాము. ఫస్ట్ మై టాస్క్ ఈజ్ దీస్ టూ have to prove it congruent to each other. So my proof. So how many criterions we have? One is SSS criteria. In two triangles, corresponding sides are equal in both triangles, then definitely both are congruent to each other. Otherwise ASA, otherwise SAS criteria, congruency. Otherwise RHS. There are 4 criterions are there. Any one of them we can get it here. Definitely these two triangles can say congruent to each other. So tell me some requirements in it. Observe in both triangles, PAO is one triangle, PBO is one triangle. Can you get the any information when you have seen the diagram? Diagram చూడగానే మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏమైనా తెలుస్తుందా? అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. బిఫోర్ వన్ థియరం we proved no. What is it? Angle between the radius and tangent is 90 degrees. So that's why you got it. Fantastic. Here 90, here 90. One angle we got it. And again observe, any sides are equal. Even sides equal and chappocha. Two triangles in both triangles. Observe these two sides. This side is equal to this side. Because they are radii. Both are radii. So radius is same. So that's why these two sides are equal, and it is the common side for both. The side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, right angle and one side. By RHS, triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO. Triangle PBO. Which criteria? RHS. By RHS criteria, both are congruent to each other, then definitely their corresponding parts are same. So what is the corresponding part of PA? In same position, PB. Therefore, PA is equal to PB by CPCT, means corresponding parts in a congruent triangles, PA equal to PB. So you got it. The lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. What is the length of the tangent? From external point to point of contact. This distance is called length of the tangent. Nice. Proved well. In fact, with the help of this proof only, many more results we can derive it. What are those? We will discuss. This is the first result. What is the first result? The length of the tangents are equal. We got it. And second one you observe. Here, PAOB. What is it? Is it quadrilateral or not? Observe. PAOB. Is it quadrilateral or not? Because four sides it has. P, B, O, A. It is a one quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, sum of the four angles is 360 degrees. Already here 90, here 90 you have, here 90 you have. So that's why 90, 90, 180 over. Now my question is, angle APB plus angle AOB. Angle APB and angle AOB is equal to how much? Sum of the angles is, you get it, 180 degrees. Yes, because sum of the four angles in a quadrilateral 360 degrees. Definitely here sum you get it 180. So that's why remaining sum definitely you will get it 180 degrees. This is also wonderful result. And these results very helpful for you. Okay, what are the angles? It is the angle inclined between the tangents. This is the angle between the inclined between the tangents, and this is the angle at the center. Okay, so their sum is 180 degrees. In fact, we discussed in a previous class, in lower classes, what is that? Sum of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Then that quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. So here PAOB is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is an excellent property that is useful for competitive exams many more times. That one more observation we observed. And again third observation. Angles subtended by the tangents at the center are equal. Third statement. Observe here. PA is the tangent only, no? It is a length of the tangent. Subtended at the center means from these two end points you join it. You get it. This is the angle. Angle subtended by the tangent PA at the center. This is same as the angle subtended by the PB at the center. So this is. So angle POA is equal to angle POB. Angle subtended by the tangents at the center are equal. These two are equal. Are these two equal or not? Tell me why those two are equal. Anyone? These two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, angle POA is equal to angle POB. By CPCT, you got it, no? So that's why both are equal by CPCT here from this. So that's why we proved these two triangles are congruent to each other. So what is the meaning of it? Angle subtended by the tangents at the center are equal. Okay, and again, the angles are equally inclined between the tangents. Means, observe here, if suppose here angle is theta, what is the angle here? This angle also theta only, because by CPCT again, by CPCT, OPA angle is equal to, that is the fourth result. What is the fourth result? Angle OPA is equal to angle OPB. This is also by CPCT. So the angle between the tangents are equally inclined with PO. So that's why here PO is angular bisector, because it is the it divides, this line PO divides two angles in equal parts, no? So that's why this is called angular bisector. Therefore PO is called internal angular bisector to the angle APO. So that's why the angular bisector definitely passes through the center of the circle. So see, many more points we observed from this only. Now join AB. AB ని join చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందో చూద్దాం. So fifth point, the angle between this, suppose you take it as a M, that you take it as a M. Now one more result here we get it. AM is perpendicular to PO. This angular bisector definitely perpendicular to the chord AB. Can we prove? Yes, it can be proved easily. Observe here, this angle is x, suppose this is also x. Now here entire value 90 now. Now here theta, this is theta, this is 90, this is how much? Here I am writing direct, don't want to write x. Observe this triangle and PAO. In PAO triangle, it is 90, it is theta. Definitely this is 90 minus theta. Okay, this is 90 minus theta. And this side also, this is, you get it, 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. And again observe here, this is the triangle. In this triangle, these two angles are equal or not? Because two sides are equal, then their opposite angles also definitely equal. Okay, see, this is 90 minus theta. Now this angle, how much can you say? What is the angle of it? Anyone tell me the angle of it? ఈ యాంగిల్ తెలిస్తే ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ తెలిసిపోతుంది మనకి. డెఫినెట్లీ దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ థీటా. సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇక్కడ దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ 90 మైనస్ థీటా, దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ థీటా, డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ ఈజ్ 90, బికాస్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద త్రీ యాంగిల్స్ ఇన్ 180 degrees నో. సో దట్స్ వై AM ఈజ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు PO. సో డెఫినెట్లీ ద యాంగులర్ బైసెక్టర్ డ్రాన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద exterior point to center is perpendicular to the chord formed by the point of contacts. ఈ రిజల్ట్స్ అద్భుతమైన రిజల్ట్స్ రా. ఈ రిజల్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేసే కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో మెనీ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యూ క్యాన్ డిస్కస్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఇన్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అప్ టు హియర్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ ఈజ్ అడిషనల్ పాయింట్స్ వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్. ఓకే, అయితే మీకు ఇప్పుడు డౌట్ రావచ్చు, సార్ దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ థీటా, హౌ కెన్ వీ గెట్ ఇట్ సార్ అని ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? అది కావాలంటే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ సిక్స్త్ పాయింట్, హౌ డిడ్ వీ గెట్ హియర్ యాంగిల్ థీటా? డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్? సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డౌట్. Observe here, 90, how did we get? We will discuss. It is APB triangle, you take it. This total angle is 2 theta now. And here it is triangle, we got it already, PA equal to PB. These lengths are same. If these two lengths are same, then definitely their opposite angles are equal. This side opposite angle this is, this side opposite angle this is. So this is how much you get it? 90 minus theta. This is how much? This is also you get it 90 minus theta. This is 90 minus theta, this is 90 minus theta. Now sum observe, you get it 180. So this angle is 90 and this part is 90 minus 3. Then this remaining part how much? Total angle 90, no nana. This is 90 minus theta. Then this angle must get it theta only. Then only 90 minus theta plus theta is 90. Got it or not? 90 minus theta comma plus theta is 90. So that's why here you get it, these angles are equal. These angles are equal. Here 90 minus theta, here theta. So definitely here you have 90 degrees. Adbhutమైన result. Here observe one more result. Easily you can. PAO, bada triangle. Triangle PAO is similar to PAO triangle. Theta is there. 90 minus theta is there. And here you have 90, and you observe the chota triangle. In chota triangle here theta is there. So triangle AMO both are similar to each other by AA similarity. By AA similarity, these two triangles, this bada triangle and this chota triangle is similar to each other. Okay, what is meant by similar? If their shapes are same, then the triangles are called similar triangles. In similar triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Otherwise, corresponding angles are equal in any two triangles. The triangles are similar to each other. So that's why these two triangles are similar to each other. These are the observations you can observe in this diagram.